Today I have the brand new Apple Watch SE2 44mm variant with me, and in this video I am going to do its unboxing and will also show you how to pair it with an iPhone. So if you have also purchased or are planning to purchase Apple Watch SE2, then watch this video till the end. So here is the box of the watch. You can see it says Starlight aluminum case, Starlight sports band 44mm. So it is the bigger 44mm variant. Let's open up the box. To open the box, we need to pull these flaps, and I must say this is quite a unique box. So here we go. There are two more boxes inside it, but let's keep them aside and see these colorful straps. This is a unique touch by Apple where you can see the different colors of straps that you can have with this smartwatch. Now let's open up the remaining boxes. Here you can see the image of the watch. This means that it contains the watch. So let's keep this aside and open the lower box first. Here you can see the images of the straps. This means it contains watch straps. So let's open it up. It says Apple Watch and it looks like a booklet. And it is a booklet. Here you can see the steps to attach the bands to the smartwatch. Then there is another leaflet. Let's keep this aside. And here you have the straps of the watch. So you get these straps in two sizes with the watch. This one looks smaller and this one looks bigger. You can use the one according to your wrist. If you have smaller wrist, then you can use the smaller strap, and if you have bigger wrist, then you can use the bigger straps. Now let's keep this box aside and open up the last box, and here you go. Here is another leaflet that says designed by Apple in California. In this you get two more leaflets which shows the steps you need to follow to use the Apple Watch SE2. Below the leaflet you get the charging cradle, and the length of its wire is pretty decent. Let's keep all this aside and finally have a look at the smartwatch. The watch comes wrapped in plastic and it looks something like this once you remove the plastic. Let me now attach the bands to the watch. To attach the band, all you have to do is slide the bands to this space right here, and there you go. The band is attached to the watch. Pretty easy, right? I must say that the mechanism to attach these bands is pretty easy compared to the quick release mechanism of other smartwatches. Now let's turn the watch on and then we will set it up. On the side of the watch you get a crown and a button. To turn on the watch, just press and hold the lower button, and there you go, the watch is turned on. It says low battery. To continue, connect Apple Watch to its charger. So let's put this on charge. You get a wireless charging cradle with the watch. Whenever you get it near the watch, it will stick to the place on its own. The charging cable has the Type-C end, so you can use your iPhone charger to charge your Apple Watch. So Apple Watch has started charging, but what to do next? There is nothing on the screen except for the watch symbol and this eye icon. Let's press on this icon and it is now asking me to choose the language. I'm going to select English. Then it is asking for the region. Select the region you live in. Now it is saying open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap start pairing. So take your cell phone and open it. As soon as you bring your cell phone near the Apple Watch, you will get a pop-up for setting the watch. Press on continue or open the watch app. Once the app is opened, tap on this start pairing button. If you are setting the watch for yourself, then select the setup for myself option. Otherwise, select the setup for a family member option. Once you select the option, you will see something going on your Apple Watch, and the scanner on your smartphone will get turned on. So point your smartphone to the smartwatch in such a way that the watch fits in this yellow box right here. Oops, it is showing that my iPhone is out of date and the watch requires a newer version of iOS. This means that I can't pair my Apple Watch SE2 with my iPhone until and unless I update its software. If you are also using the later version of iOS on your iPhone, then go ahead and update it. Let me try one more time. Let's see if it shows the same thing. What? It actually worked this time. I didn't expect this. This time it is showing that a software update is available for the watch, and you get two options here. You can either update it or you can skip the update. Let me skip it for now. We'll update it later. So it says the Apple Watch is paired, and you can also see the screen of the Apple Watch that has changed. Now tap on setup Apple Watch to start setting up the watch. Select the wrist you will be wearing the watch in and then tap on the continue button. It is processing and you can see this processing icon here. Now it says connecting to your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. So let's wait for a while and let it get done. What? Unpairing Apple Watch? It was in the process of pairing and now suddenly it is showing that your iPhone is currently unpairing Apple Watch. What is going on? Let me try one more time. The same thing is happening again. Let me try with another iPhone once. Repeating the process, let's see if it gets paired with this iPhone. This is getting really frustrating now. I have spent hours trying to pair this Apple Watch SE2 with two of my iPhones and it is just not happening. I think it is happening because my iPhones are not running on the latest version of iOS. So let me go ahead and update the iOS of my iPhone. iOS 16.3.1 update is available for my iPhone and the size of this update is whopping 2.99 GB. This will really take a lot of time to get updated, but we don't have any option, so let it get done. My iPhone is now updated and it took around 40 minutes to get updated. Let us now try pairing the Apple Watch SE2 once again. Open the watch app, tap on start pairing, choose setup for myself. Oh, so the interface of the screen has changed a little. Point the camera of the cell phone to the watch. Now it again says that there is an update available for the watch. So let's update the watch as well so that we don't face any problem later. I'm crossing my fingers right here because after the screen, it started unpairing the watch earlier. Let's hope that the same thing does not happen again. It is taking quite a time and my hopes are going down. So we are finally into the next step. The watch is now getting updated and the size of this update is 663 MBs. Let's see how much time it takes. It is 11:44 in the morning right now. The time is now 12:17 and it's been around half an hour and the update is downloaded. Now the watch is getting prepared to install the update. The time now is 12:53 and my phone now says a software update is now available for Apple Watch. I have no clue what is going on here and I'm now feeling very frustrated. It's been around 3 hours since I started pairing Apple Watch SE2 with my cell phone and it is still not done. Let me click on details and see what it has to say. This is the same update that I just installed. The size of this update is also 663 MBs. Let's tap on the install button and see what it does. Enter the passcode, scroll down and tap on agree button. It is now verifying. Thank God it is not installing the update again. Now it is installing the update, but what it was doing earlier. So it took another half an hour and I think I have to repeat the process again. It is now asking to set the passcode for Apple Watch. Finally, I think the process will end this time. Select the font style and size. You can see the size of the text on the watch changing instantly. Shared settings, just tap on OK. Enter your details like date of birth, height, weight, etc. for personalized fitness and health. I'm just going to skip everything as of now. I can always set this up later. Select the notifications that you want to get on the watch. Now select the app view, whether you want the grid view or the list view. I personally like the grid view. The Apple Watch is now syncing. Let's see how much time this syncing is going to take. The time now is 13:27. In the meantime, you can get to know about your watch. Tap on the option you want to know about and it will show you all the details that you want to know. The time now is 13:44 and the syncing is finally complete. Just tap on OK button and get done with it. So finally everything is done now, and after all this hard work of setting up the Apple Watch SE2, you can start using it. This video ends here, and at last I want to say that Apple should really do something about this process. It was really frustrating. Thank you for bearing with it. Before you start pairing up your Apple Watch SE2, make sure that you have plenty of free time. And if you like this video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, then do not forget to subscribe. I will now see you in the next video. Till then, take care.